Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial video, I would like to show you how you can make Google your default search engine in Microsoft Edge web browser. It is actually super simple and you can do that really quickly with just a few clicks. So what you want to do first, guys, is head over to Microsoft Edge. For example, start Microsoft Edge on your computer, and here on your home screen, guys, click on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that drop-down menu to access your browser settings. And what you want to do after that is head over to Privacy, Search and Services. And here in the Privacy, Search and Services segment, click on Search and Connected Experiences here at the bottom. And in the following menu, select Address Bar and Search here at the bottom. And on the following page, Microsoft Edge will give you the opportunity to switch to your preferred search engine by simply clicking on that arrow down icon here to the right where it says Search Engine Used in the Address Bar. So as you can see, Bing is the default and also recommended search engine on Microsoft Edge, which shouldn't surprise you. And you can switch from Bing to any other of the search engines listed below, like Yahoo or Google. So simply click on Google and that's all to it. Also, you may decide whether you'd like to use your search engine through a search box or through the address bar below. You can switch from search box to address bar here. So that's all to it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time on our channel.